Where's Rachel's head? Oh, ain't it cute?
Nothing like spending the weekend dancing to music on TV.
A tornado is coming straight toward the western South Dakota area and will be really effective.
Oh no. I better pull the windows down. I accidentally left it open.
Oh, ain't it cute?
The tornado is now over. Everything is safe now.
I can't life without my hand. I got to go find my
There will be another tornado shortly.
I better go find it quick. The tornado is over and I do not know where Maya is.
You still look pretty.
If I ever find Maya, I will put a tracking chip in it just in case it gets lost again.
There is going to be a third tornado soon. How many tornadoes can this day have? What the heck? Why are we in the forest?
Because the speed of the tornado is 30 or 70 miles per hour, leading to them being pushed for miles
north. Now I am confused. How will I find my
Help! I fell down and I am out at the woods. I am scared.
Oh no. Not Ned.
My phone says that there will be a third tornado in a little bit.
A third tornado? In one freaking day. This is insane. What kind of climate is this? Great. Now we are in the mountains. I am really confused. Where's my aunt?
I am so cold.
Suck it up, Buttercup. I am used to this. Have you ever seen how cold Canada is? Some parts of Canada are far north.
Look, Ned is flying in the sky.
I am flying! Oh, I got bit again! This game stinks!
now available on video.
Oh my gosh. Look how many views I got in seconds. I am so popular.
Sorry to upset you, but a fourth tornado is heading your way.
Really? The stress hurts bad. Really bad. Hurts so bad that I have to go to the hospital. Where are we now?
It says here that we are in the Japantown part of our town.
We better look for Maya quick. The sun is starting to set. Hurry.
青い空はポケットさ幸せ包むポケットさ口笛吹いて歩いて行こう大杖の上ではお日様がほらほら照らしてる
Whoa! Look at this cloud. It has so many things people are missing. Hey! There's my aunt.
Hold on to your hat tightly. Another tornado is coming. It's the sixth one.
Are you serious? Finally, I am back home. There. Now I can find Maya out of this tracking chip. This will help me find Maya when it gets lost.
Ha ha ha! You two run along! This is the end of Sana's art song!
Rumor has it.
Hi, my name is Rachel. In today's episode of A Bird Named Keiji will show up how far Henry's rumors take us. There were many times where Henry took his rumors way too far. So far in the series he has said about 7 rumors.
Rumor has it, Corey has a huge load of baloney at his house. That's why he always say that's a load of baloney. Rumor has it, Sully appeared in a Japanese commercial about offices.
Oh my gosh. I wonder what this is about. How many times do I have to tell you that your rumors are true? I got the commercial on tape when I visited Japan.
Rumor has it, the leftover hot dog water in the cafeteria is found in the vent. Rumor has it that a legendary Pokemon is in here.
It's staring at us right now.
Rumor has it, there is a website that does trap you inside the internet.
Oh really? Whatever it is, I'm typing it in.
Rumor has it that the mansion is the only area outside Japan that is believed to be haunted by a Japanese ghost yokai. Rumor has it that there is a haunted train station somewhere near us. The train station is on a street in between. In a town inside the city. The train station is called Fire Avenue. It is haunted because of a kid that never came back.
Those rumors are nothing compared to what Henry tells today. Stick around and watch.
Class, today is field day. The day where we go outside instead of learning today.
Yes, field day. This is going to be so cool. I love doing field day. No learning today.
Hello, it is me, Patty. I am the character that almost became a forgotten character. This is the first time in a while.
I love field day, but it can get hot out.
He's cooking bacon out here.
That is not bacon. That is Jenny.
Good news, everyone. It will not be hot out. It will be pretty warm out.
Rumor has it,
No. No.
You are not going to ruin field day. I want to have a relaxing date without you, your stupid rumors.
But it is very important.
Not.
Just let me tell everyone.
Okay. Whatever you say.
Rumor has it that this field day will be very complex and full of complex obstacles. You can see it being set up outside.
Way to go. Now we are going to be sweating and sweating a lot.
I can't take it. I am running away forever.
But however, despite being complex, it will be very fun.
Really?
Yes. So let's get in line and walk out of the door.
Alright everyone. Today is field day. This year it will be different and have things like complex obstacle courses. Instead of learning we will do obstacle courses, and obstacle courses. This will count as a gym grade.
Yes, I'm going home.
Rumor has it that if Corey goes home the heat will rise up high.
Oh, that's a load of baloney.
Rumor has it that a cold wave will come.
Oh my gosh, Corey. You look so stupid.
Shut up, you orange dork.
Rumor has it that the temperature will rise back up to where it was before.
Enough with the filler and focus more on the field day.
Okay, let's get started.
Wow, that was so cool. That was a piece of cake.
Okay, now for the next and final obstacle course.
I got it, Paul, handy dandy with this sugar boosted energy drink.
Are you sure this is same?
Yes, you're not my mom. Time for the fun to start.
Go, 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 go!
I've got the power. I don't feel so good.
See, I told you not to drink that.
It was not just one. You can see a trail of cans Danny drank. He must have had a sugar crash. So now he is asleep.
Now watch, as I master the obstacle course in seconds.
Wait a second. I thought this episode was going to be about how far Henry's rumors go, not a field day episode.
That's because there was a typo. I didn't know. I should have read the script before.
Kids, that is how you make a filler?
The Graffiti Kid.
Someone sprayed graffiti on the walls at school. How savage.
Looks like something you would see in a big city, like Philadelphia, Paris, New York City, San Francisco, Seattle, and the city near us called Chiba City. I saw a lot of this when I visited my cousins in Seattle.
Hey, you forgot to refresh Sacramento. That is where I used to live. That's right. I used to live in the big city.
Same. I'm from a big Canadian city called Montreal.
I used to live there too.
You did. That is creepy. You are like a stalker.
I'm from Antarctica.
Move back. We don't need you.
Come on. Stop talking about how you used to live somewhere and focus on what this graffiti is doing on the wall.
What the heck? Why are you kids focused on this garbage? Just to add into the big city talk, I used to live in Kyoto, Japan. That is why I am so fluent in Japanese.
I know what comes from there. Nintendo.
Kids, come back to class.
Today will be fun because we are watching the weird Japanese children's show in our Japanese class.
That symbol looks like a happy face. What does that mean?
Okay, I am so curious about the graffiti crew. I wonder whose name is... How could I find out? I am so impatient. I will find out right after this part of the show's over with the orange that has legs and eyes. Miss Mizumoto, may I please use the bathroom?
Sure, but don't take too long.
Bathroom breaks are something I am not allowed to do in school anymore because of true incidents.
Okay, here I go. Time to take a walk.
Every day when you're walking down the street, everybody that you meet has an original point of view.
He looks so handsome.
Hey, don't tell anyone who the graffiti kid is. It is me.
Oh my gosh, you are so cute. I am having a crush. But wait, I thought I had a crush on Henry.
But I already have a girlfriend.
How dare you? I was going to keep this whole thing a secret, but then you told me you had a girlfriend. So you blew it.
No, don't tell anyone.
Catch me if you can.
I give up, silly. How do you run so fast?
Oh my gosh. I can't believe I am going to tell the class about who the graffiti kid really is. Who the graffiti kid really is. Who the graffiti kid really is. Who the graffiti kid really is.
Silly, are you awake?
What? Oh, yes. I better get back to class before something bad happens.
Don't tell anybody about what I am doing.
Going back to class.
Hey Keiji, I still am curious about the graffiti kid. Is he?
I don't know either. It's a mystery.
And I'm back.
Can I please go to the bathroom?
No, you are banned from using the bathrooms at school.
Oh man.